Alright, how's everybody doing? This is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses, and this is another completed renovation. It is October the 9th, 2019. We just wrapped up this house to get listed. This is on North 22nd Street in Richmond, and come on in. Let's go for a tour. So we renovated this house. You guys have seen some of the progress, and maybe I'll do a time-lapse video here before too long. But basically, we walk in, we have the living room. This is completely open house. We didn't open any of the walls up, but you can see that we have the kitchen right there, this floating laminate floor, and I will walk you guys upstairs. We'll do the upstairs video first, and then we'll come back down. So, walk up the stairs. We got a full bath in the back. And we have half bath up front. This is a 4-bedroom house. And so we've got the subway tile bathroom right there. And everything looks good. So got that. We got the sink, the Home Depot special, actually Lowe's special vanity. And let's see, got the light on. All right, we got a bedroom here and a closet. And this is, we'll show you the, hey look, the police are here. Huh, go figure. And then there's my truck, here's the backyard, new construction across the street. And we will walk into the next bedroom. This house turned out nice. I mean, this house is a pain in the butt. This house I thought was never gonna end. We had a lot of fire damage right here. We had fire damage, mold, roof leak. This is an addition to the house right here. So we had major structural issues right there we had to deal with. We had to rip this drywall all the way down the stairs. You guys can, if you look hard enough, you can see the seam where we had to rip the drywall all the way down the stairs. It was actually plaster. So have this bedroom right here, and that's pretty cool, little fireplace. And then we come in here, and this is the master. And what we did, we had a closet right here, and there was nowhere to put a bed. There wasn't enough room here. So we moved that closet, we took that closet away, and so we had this huge bathroom. And so what we did with this bathroom is we said, okay, well, let's just close the bathroom up and then we'll make a walk-in closet. So we came over here and we made this walk-in closet right here, and that's pretty cool. So people are gonna like that. And let's see what else we got. So this is the neighborhood, and that house is ready for some sucker. And that house right there closes on Friday, and then what you can't see through the trees right there is the local convenience store. And if you guys look right there, you can see the tree where somebody got killed there a couple weeks ago. So that's their little memorial for the person who doesn't live on planet Earth anymore. And so God rest his soul. And so then we got the vanity right here. That's a toilet. We got the vanity right here. It's got a cool little feature here where it has this little thing that rolls forwards and backwards. So, little barn door looking thing. And then this is really cool. So this turned out really nice. We went all the way to the ceiling with this nice shiny ceramic tile. It's really cool. And if you look closely, we did some black caulk in here to make it look good. So let's see what else.